To experience the WriStable's full support and pain relief benefits, you must apply the brace correctly. Once you have the WriStable in your correct size, open the strap closure tabs and the cam buckle. Slip the brace over your hand, ensuring that the larger saddle-shaped piece is on the top of your wrist. The smaller oval-shaped piece should be on the palm side of your wrist. Before you continue, look down at your hand. The word WriStable should be right side up and easy to read. If it is not, you may have the smaller piece on top or the brace may be upside down. Align the top of the brace on the side of your wrist closest to the thumb, positioning the saddle-shaped piece between the index and the middle fingers. Align and position the bottom piece on the palm side of your wrist. While keeping your wrist in a neutral, straight position, tighten the strap and close the cam buckle. Wrap the remaining strap around your wrist. Twist the strap closure tabs slightly to secure them in the slot. When you are certain you know how long the strap needs to be, you may cut off the excess length of the strap closure tabs. Leave at least 4 or 5 extra strap closure tabs so you have something to hold on to when removing the brace. Measure carefully. Once you have cut off the tabs, you cannot return or exchange the brace. Do not be concerned if you need to wear in the brace to become accustomed to it. You may need to periodically reposition the WriStable as your skin underneath moves. If you need the ability to move your wrist back further while performing weight-bearing activities such as handstands, push-ups, or gymnastics, you may loosen the strap. Loosen the strap just enough to move your wrist as far as you need while still being able to feel the support of the brace. If you plan to wear the WriStable in water, first wet it and retighten, as a wet strap elongates slightly. There are no limitations to how long you can or should wear the WriStable. You can wear it as much as you want or need. If you prefer, you can wear it only during the activities that cause you wrist pain.